Hello everyone, welcome back to Falling for Chinese. I am Wang. In the last lesson, we learned how to say numbers from 1 to 99 in Chinese. If you haven't watched it yet, click the eye icon in the top right corner to check it out first. Today we are going big. We'll learn 0, 100, 1,000, 10,000 to say 100 to 10,000 in Chinese. In fact, you will master Chinese numbers from 1 to 99,999. Now let's start with 百, which means 100. In Chinese, 100 equals to 1 times 100. 1 is 一, 100 is 百, so 100 is 100. How about 300? 300 equals to 3 times 100. So it should be 300. Then 400 is 400. How about 500? 500 is 500. 600 is 600. 700 is 700. 800 is 800. 900 is 900. How about 200? 200 equals to 2 times 100. So it should be 200. No. In everyday life, we say 200 instead. Why do we replace 2 with 2? Because 2 will turn into 2 when the major word follows it. 百 is also the major word. So 200 should be 200. Now say them all with me. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900. Now let's see how much you have remembered. How to say 300 in Chinese. You can use the way I introduced before. Count 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3, 300. How to say 900 in Chinese. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It's 900. Now challenge yourself. You have 3 seconds for each question. How to say 700 in Chinese? It's 700. Next one. How to say 200 in Chinese? It's 200. Do you remember to use 2 instead? Next one. How to say 500 in Chinese? It's 500. I hope you have figured out the answers within the time limit. Do you know which Chinese number is the most complicated? It's 0. Now I'm going to introduce you 0 in Chinese. 0 means none, but it looks so scary to many beginners. I hope you don't feel the same way. Originally, 0 meant small raindrops or scattered drops, like the leftover bits after a storm. Over time, scattered bits turned into 0 in numbers. It's combined by 2 parts, yu and ling. The top part of the character is radical yu, rain. Ling is the phonetic part that gives the pronunciation. When you write this character, remember to write from top to bottom. So when will we use 0? You will see this number often in bigger numbers like 105, 407 or 609. 0 helps us fill the gap when there's a missing tens. For example, 101 equals to 100 plus 0 plus 1, so it should be 101. 304 equals to 300 plus 0 plus 4. So it should be 304. How about the other three-digit numbers from 101 to 999? How to say 110? 110 equals to 100 plus 1 times 10. 100 is 100, 1 is 1, 10 is 10. Put them together, we say 110. How to say 318? 318 equals to 300 plus 1 times 10 plus 8. 300 is 300, 1 is 1, 10 is 10, 8 is 8. Put them together, we say 318. Now, can you figure out how to say 999? Use the patterns I just showed you. It's 999. Did you get it right? Tell you a secret. In Chinese culture, giving your lover 999 roses means I will love you forever. It's so romantic, even if real life doesn't always turn out that way. Next, I'm introducing you thousand. 千. Say it with me. 千. 千. Use the pattern that applies to hundreds. Have a think. How do you say multiples of 1,000? Please pause the video now before I show you the answers, so you can see if you know how to apply the pattern. Let's check if you know how to say them. Say them with me. 1000, 2000, 3000, 4000, 5000, 6000, 7000, 8000, 9000. Let me know in the comments and share your happiness with us if you get them all correct. Now it's practice time again. How to say 1159? Please break it down like I did in your mind. You can do it. You have 10 seconds. It's 1000 plus 100 plus 50 plus 9, which is 1159. How to say 5083? Remember to use 0 when the digit is skipped. You have 5 seconds. It's 5083. How to say 9,999? You have only 5 seconds. It's 9999. You may wonder, if I give my lover 9999 roses, does it mean something different from 999? Well, it means the same. You are just showing you have more money and your lover might love you a little more. Now let's learn a final word that makes a number even bigger. Guess what it is? It is 10,000. 1. It sounds like 1 in English, doesn't it? But the value is 10,000 times greater. I know the use of 1 is different from English, but I'm sure it won't be difficult for you. Let's say them together. 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000, 6,000, 7,000, 8,000, 9,000. Well done, everyone! If you've made it this far, you have shown your resilience and determination. Your Mandarin will improve quickly. Now challenge yourself how to say 87,654. Drop your answer in the comments in pinyin or characters. I will check for you. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me in the comments. If you find the lesson useful, don't forget to like the video so more people can see it. See you next time. 再见。